An Accounting Guide. Chapter 1. An Accounting Bookkeeping Guide. Basic Accounting 1. Accounting is a major part of any undergraduate degree in business administration and a major part of any MBA program. Everybody has to learn the fundamentals behind it, even though nowadays, accounting software does most of the work. Nowadays nobody has to spend oodles of time crunching numbers because there is lots of good software that does the work for us. Either go to quicken.com or to any of the other many accounting software programs out there like peachtree.com, another leader of the accounting software business. If you want to learn about accounting, go to #657.2 or HF5635 at the library, or take a course either at college or through your local adult, continuing, education program. Personally, I think it's one of the most boring subjects around, a necessary evil in business and in running some households. Accounting is basically assets, credits, and liabilities, debits, trying to balance the two of them so they're equal, what is poetically known as a balanced budget calculated on a balance sheet. The three basic financial statements are: balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement. The income statement, or the profit and loss statement, P&L statement, summarizes the revenues and expenses of a business over a certain period of time, calculates the difference between the two and shows them either as a profit or loss. The goal is to make what you own and earn equal to or greater than what you spend and owe in business, in running an organization or a country, and in running a home. Assets equals liabilities plus capital. Your sales, cost of goods sold, equals gross profit. Gross profit, expenses equals net profit. The basic laws of accounting are: accounting records and statements always balance. The statements can be interpreted by using ratios. Operating results can be analyzed and managed using variances. The key terms are as follows: activity-based costing, ABC. Accrual basis accounting, recording. Transactions that matches revenues and expenses regardless of cash flow movements. Cash basis accounting, recording. Transactions only when cash changes hands. Depreciation, the amount of wear and tear on equipment. Gross margin, profit after you sell your stuff and deduct costs. Net working capital, what's left after you pay your bills. Price and volume variance. Basic accounting 2. Where accounting gets creative for businesses on the edges: in the accounts receivable, the amount of money people owe you, and in accounts payable, what you owe others. The way you handle these two areas could make or break you. In business accounting, depreciation, the loss of the value of your property and equipment over time, is a liability. You can look good on paper but be cash poor enough such that it will cost you the business. Cash in hand is always king. It doesn't matter if people owe you oodles of money if you don't have it when you need it. Be wary of bad debts. Know the tax system. Hold onto your paperwork. Always double check to look for errors. Record Keeping Guide. Keeping accurate and up-to-date business records is, for many people, the most difficult and uninteresting aspect of operating a business. If this area of business management is one that you anticipate will be hard for you, plan now how you will cope. Don't wait until tax time or until you are totally confused. Books about accounting are at number 332 and number 657 at the library. Take a course at the local community college, ask a volunteerscore.org, Service Corps of Retired Executives, representative from the Small Business Administration to help you in the beginning, or hire an accountant to advise you on setting up and maintaining a record-keeping system. Your records will be used to prepare tax returns, make business decisions, and apply for loans. Set aside a special time each week to update your records. It will pay off in the long run with more deductions and fewer headaches. Go over the books yourself at first, or at least keep an eye on your money situation. Keep it simple and cheap. Throughout the year, it takes hundreds of hours of your time to prepare and file the various payroll reports and other governmental forms required. there is probably no reason you cannot do your own record keeping, at least in getting started. Use a separate checkbook and bank account for your business. Use a column check register with several headed up columns and distribute the amount of each check written to the proper columns. List your deposits on the check register and carry across a continuous bank balance. Accounting is simply a matter of recording your deposits and keeping a record of the money you spend. The first thing you need to do is open a business account for your extra income business. Generally, this is simply a matter of asking the new accounts teller at a local bank for a business account registration card. Fill this card in and with the small registration fee, send it into the appropriate commissioner, and from there, open your new business account complete with imprinted checks. You may have to show them a business license from the county clerk's office. Drop by a local stationery store and pick up a record-keeping ledger, then simply start filling in your credits and debits at the end of each day or weekly. At the end of each month, transfer this daily diary information to a bookkeeping register that your tax consultant or accountant can work from. These people won't work from your daily diary and will not transfer the information you record in it to a formal bookkeeping register without charging you a small fortune. It's not that big of a job, and if you do it after the close of business on the last day of each month, it will take at the most a very few minutes. When you're ready to do your taxes, you simply give your register to whoever is going to do your taxes. The bookkeeping register you'll need can be any simple column notebook available in a number of different styles and sizes. All you really need is some sort of notebook with a number of columns marked off, a title written at the top of each column, and a record of the money received for each day relative to the product or service each column represents. Then at the end of each month, you can simply add the totals from each column and you'll instantly know how much money you took in. Beyond the date column will be your record of expenses or money spent. Again, you should title each of the columns you'll be entering figures into and then record your expenditures for items falling into those categories. Then at the end of each month, it's a simple matter to add the totals from each column and know exactly where you stand relative to profit or loss, how much you took in compared to how much you spent. If you don't have a cash register to start with, you can write up sales on duplicate sales slips, but a cash register is highly recommended. You will be able to ring up sales to different departments and by different clerks. It will pay for itself many times over in just a short time. Record receipts from the totaled out cash register tape at the end of each day to daily or weekly sheets. With just the above two records of original entry plus a general journal to record any extraneous transactions, and a general ledger to which accounts from the three records are posted at the end of each month, you have all that is necessary for a simple cash accounting system. This system can be easily converted to the accrual method of accounting by simply journalizing accounts receivable, payable, accruals, prepaid insurance, etc. After posting these entries, the balance sheet and income statement can be readily completed. After preparing the financial statements, reverse the accruals and you will be ready for entries the following month. You can enter your gross payroll, payroll deductions, and the net amount in your check register. Give your employees a payroll slip showing all the facts and maintain subsidiary payroll sheets with all the information as to each employee. With these individual payroll records and the control accounts in the general ledger, you have all the information necessary to complete the various payroll tax reports and returns as they come due. At the end of each annual accounting period, all the information for filing your income tax returns will be right at your fingertips. If you know nothing about bookkeeping, have an accountant set up your books on the basis of the above simple method. Let him keep the books the first few months while you learn how, then, if you prefer, take them over yourself. Use your accountant as your advisor. After a short time, you probably will be able to do all the accounting without outside help. If you ever get in trouble with the IRS, note that most accountants will bail out on you, so I'm telling you up front, get a grip on your own finances and don't leave them up to a hired gun too much unless it's a high-end, reputable accounting firm, but none of them are reputable. The big ones all got busted for fraud, then changed their names to distance themselves from their past. It's alright to hire an accountant, but know what's going on yourself. Accountants rip people off by telling you that you owe the IRS or whoever lots of money, then pocketing some of the proceeds for themselves. If your business is small or related to an activity that is usually considered a hobby, it's even more important that you keep good records, because that's the type of people the IRS likes to audit. The IRS may decide that what you are doing is only a hobby and you won't be allowed to deduct expenses or losses from your home-produced income at tax time, so keep records of all transactions in which you spend or bring in money. Pick a name for your business and register it with local or state regulatory authorities. Call your city hall or county courthouse to find out how. Your records should tell you these 3 facts: how much cash you owe, how much cash you are due, and how much cash you have on hand. You should keep 5 basic journals. 1 check register. Shows each check disbursed, the date of disbursement, number of the check, to whom it was made out, payee, the amount of money disbursed and for what purpose. 2 cash receipts. Shows the amount of money received, from whom and for what. 3 sales journal. Shows the business transaction, date, for whom it was performed, the amount of the invoice and the sales tax, if applicable. It may be divided to indicate labor and goods. 4 voucher register. A record of bills, money owed, the date of the bill, to whom it is owed, the amount and the service. 5 general journal. A means of adjusting some entries in the other 4 journals. Set up your records to reflect the amount and type of activity in your particular business. There are a wide range of pre-packaged record-keeping systems. Even though you may be small and just beginning, it is probably wise to consult an accountant to help you decide which record-keeping system is best for your business. Once it is set up, you can record the daily transactions or periodically have a bookkeeper post your daily transactions in your general ledger and prepare your financial statements. Establish a separate bank account for your business even before the first sale. Then you will have a complete and distinct record of your income and expenditures for tax purposes, and you won't have to remember which expenses were business and which were personal. Basic bookkeeping. Beyond keeping good records of your orders, you have to keep track of income expenses. There are 2 good reasons to keep good records. It's the law. The IRS, State Income Tax Division and State Sales Tax Division, where applicable, requires you to keep complete and accurate records. Keeping good records is good business. It helps you to understand your business better. It will let you know at all times how your business is doing, how much money you're making or losing. In addition, it enables you to analyze expenses and revenues. You can see how seasonal and other trends develop. All of this will help you to make sound business decisions. It's best to set up a separate business checking account with your bank for your business. This account should be used only for deposit of business-related income and payment of business expenses. In this way, you maintain a distinction between business and personal expenses. State sales tax. You're required by law in most states to collect the appropriate state sales tax. This only applies for sales within your state. Out-of-state purchasers are not charged a sales tax. Only the end user pays sales tax. If you should be selling to a dealer, he can provide you with a sales tax exemption certificate. In this case, he is not required to pay the sales tax to you since he will be collecting it from his customers. State use tax. The use tax generally applies when a company buys supplies or equipment for its own use from an out-of-state business. It does not apply when material or merchandise are bought from an out-of-state company which will be resold. The use tax rate is the same as the sales tax rate. For specific information on regulations in your state, call the nearest state sales tax division in your area. Acquisition of equipment. When acquiring office machines, such as typewriters, computers, copiers, furniture, etc., such expenditures are generally depreciated on your tax return over a period of time. For specific information, check with a qualified tax advisor. Expenses related to the business. If a business is operated from home, in many instances a portion of rental, mortgage or other expenses may be deductible when filing your income tax. The same may apply to utility expenses. There are specific laws pertaining to this, and again you should get professional advice. Detail of monthly expenditure form. On a piece of paper, in the left-hand column, you keep track of expenditures for merchandise and products that you resell to your customers. The accounting term is generally cost of goods or product or cost of sales. If you sell books by mail, you would record your purchases for these goods, including drop shipments, in this column. The right-hand column should be used to record all other expenditures. You obtain this information from your business checking account. If you pay for business expenses by cash, keep track of these expenditures separately and enter into this column also. If you also use one or more credit cards to pay for business expenses, list these expenses here too. It's best to designate a specific credit card to be used for business expenses only. Do not intermingle personal charges. In this case you may be able to deduct the interest on your taxes. Income and expenditure form. Record your daily income in the left-hand column. Since you may not have income on a daily basis in the beginning stages of your business, you can record income less frequently, such as weekly or even monthly. You may wish to keep a separate income journal. The purpose of such a journal would be to give you a more detailed breakdown of your revenue. Set it up in any way you feel it will best suit your needs. For example, you may want to record new business separately from repeat business. If you sell dealerships and books, for example, you may want to record the revenue from dealerships separately from the revenue for books, etc. In the right column of this form you can keep track of your expenditures by category. Again, you can change the categories to suit your particular needs. When you deduct your expenses from your receipts at the end of the month, you will have an income or loss figure for your business. Profit and loss statement form. Here you show you monthly revenue, expenses, and profit loss. There are no requirements for you to do this on a monthly basis. Especially in the beginning stages of your new business, you may want to generate a profit and loss statement on a quarterly basis, semi-annual or even annual basis. The above information will give you a basic system. Tailor it to fit your own situation. You may want something more elaborate or less detailed, or you may not get a business software package and do it like that. If you're considering to acquire a software program to help you with your accounting, I would strongly suggest you wait until you understand your business well. Also, accounting software can be difficult to use for an individual without accounting background. Don't get overwhelmed by record keeping for your new business, especially if this is something new for you. Governmental agencies do not require you to keep your books in a particular way, but do require you keep good records. This also means that records must be substantial. Again, your accountant can give you detailed information on existing requirements. While the big task of any new business is developing sales and acquiring customers, good record keeping is generally found in successful business operations. Your records provide you with accurate present and past information that you, as the owner and president of your company, must use constantly analyze your business so you will maximize profits. Bookkeeping websites. abssi.org, Business Support Services. ipb.com, Professional Bookkeepers. eaglevip.com, Bookkeeping Service. GoSafeguard.com, Bookkeeping. irs.gov, Internal Revenue Service. A list of bookkeeping podcasts at blog.feedspot.com/bookkeeping_podcasts. blog.feedspot.com/bookkeeping_blogs. blog.feedspot.com/podcast_blogs. thesuccessfulbookkeeper.com/episodes. beanninjas.com/blog/podcast. buzzsprout.com/577489. cloudaccountingpodcast.com/episodes. dacpodcast.libcn.com. evolvedfinance.com/podcasts. growmyaccountingpractice.libcn.com. ilovebookkeeping.com/episodes. jetpackworkflow.com/category/growing-your-firm-podcast. thesavvybookkeeper.com.au/the-bookkeepers-voice-bookkeeping-business-podcast. Chapter 2. Put it all down on paper. Budgeting info. Even though just about every conventional book about money you will read will studiously tell you to sit down and make a budget of assets, what you take in, mostly your paycheck and investment income, versus liabilities, what you spend, I personally think this is too neurotic, mechanical, and foolish because firstly life doesn't work according to a formula you put down on paper, and secondly, something will always happen that destroys whatever budget you put down on paper. Know what you're worth. Know how much you're spending and on what. Having said all that, my budget has always been in my head intuitively. I know how much I'm worth roughly, how much money I take in and how much my basic bills cost. I'm not much of a consumer, so I don't spend much money on anything beyond the basics. Everything else I save or give away to relatives and friends. This is the type of budgeting I believe in, an intuitive knowing within yourself what you're worth, what your bills are, and the desire to pay off all bills quickly, save as much as you can, and look for investment opportunities that can yield you a paycheck, like own a rental property or two. Barring a long-winded discussion about budgeting, assets versus liabilities, and cash flow, you should have a sense of what you're bringing in, what you own, what you're worth, and what you're spending. Some people say you should write it all out. I say it's not that necessary, but make it a point to monitor your daily spending habits and look at ways to cut costs. Some easy ones are: make coffee at home and put it in a thermos rather than buy it at the coffee shop, get rid of magazine and newspaper subscriptions, don't eat at restaurants much, wash your own car, consider getting rid of your cellular phone, do your own gardening, exercise at home by buying your own equipment rather than paying health club fees all the time, and the list goes on. To make a list of all the possible things you spend money on, use the following list as a guide. Housing expenses. Rent. Mortgage. Property taxes. Major appliances. Heating oil. Electric. Gas. Water. Sewer. Garbage collection, often a part of property taxes. Telephone. Cable television. Homeowners association. Snow removal. Home insurance. Maid, nanny, cleaner. Other household expenses. Food. Cleaning and household supplies. Laundry and dry cleaning. Clothing. Footwear. Medical. Medical insurance. Medical expenses not covered by insurance. Dental. Hospital stay. Mental health. Drugs. Vitamins. Vehicle. Gas and oil. Maintenance and repairs. Monthly payments on purchase or lease. Registration fees. Insurance. Parking and tolls. Car wash. Taxis and buses. Child care expenses. Summer camp. After school clubs. Personal expenses. Grooming. Entertainment. Vacations. Club dues and expenses. Hobby, sports. Books, magazines, records, etc. Charitable contributions. Cottage, boat, airplane, etc. Business expenses. Retirement contributions. Insurance. To make a basic budget of assets and liabilities, what you spend and what you earn, use the following areas as a guide. Assets. Paycheck. Investments. Bank accounts. Life insurance. Car. Pension. Inheritance. Retirement plans. Real estate property. Alimony, child support. Government check. Social security. Money from litigation. Art, jewelry, antiques, etc. Big toys like boats, motorcycles, skis, etc. Liabilities. Credit card bills. Basic bills, telephone bill, utilities, water bill, yard maintenance, cable TV, laundry, medical, dental, daycare, parking, etc. Alimony, child support. Housing, rent or mortgage. Home maintenance. Utilities. Taxes. Medical. Insurance. Money borrowed from life insurance policy. Food. Transportation, car, bike. Clothing. Recreation. Entertainment. Loan payments. Emergency money like a car accident. Savings. Vacation. Gifts. Charitable giving. Miscellaneous. Get a computer. Buy a used one out of an ad in the paper if you have to. Use it to do your budgets and learn from the internet. Figure out what you can spend. What is your net worth? There is only one rule to live without debt except for a mortgage. Live within your means. Don't buy what you can't afford on credit. Don't buy a new car. Buy a used one for cash you saved up. Figure out your monthly living expenses and credit obligations. Figure out what you take in and what you spend and figure it out from there. Assets / what you own. Cash and equivalents. Checking account. Saving account. Money market account. Life insurance, cash value. Other. Investments. CDs. Bonds. Mutual funds. Stocks. Other. Long-term tax-favored assets. Pension fund, vested. TDA. IRA. Other. Real property. Home. Other real estate. Cars. Personal property. Business interests. Receivables. Annual gross salary. Money owed to you. Liabilities / what you owe. Costs of living, rent, food, gas, etc. Mortgage. Other debt. Credit cards. Student loans. Car loans. Home improvement loans. Other loans. Taxes owed. Federal. State and local. You spend most of your money on the following. Healthcare. Apparel / shoes. Automobile. Automobile loans / leases. Birthdays / holidays. Bus / metro / toll / carpool. Cable. Child support / alimony. Clothing. Credit card payments. Credit obligations. Daycare / camp. Dining out / beverages. Dry cleaning / laundry. Educational. Electricity. Entertainment. Family. Food. Garbage / pest control. Gas / heating oil. Gasoline. Gifts and contributions. Groceries. Hair. Homeowners / renters. Housing. Insurance. License tags / taxes. Life and disability. Lunches. Maintenance. Medical. Medications / prescriptions. Music / dance lessons. Newspapers / books / magazines. Personal. Physicians and dentist. Religious / charities. Rent / mortgage. Repairs, tires, lube. School lunches. Snacks and sodas. Special occasions. Sports and hobby costs. Taxes. Telephone / online services. Tobacco. Toiletries. Transportation. Tuition / books / supplies. Vacation. Videos / movies / plays / concerts. Water and sewer. Make a money plan. Gather your paperwork to learn about your financial status. Establish objectives. Identify financial problems. Write out a plan. Live by it. Expect emergencies and traumatic events. Review and revise your plan as you go along. Study money. Read this book. Read books from number 332 at the library. There are money magazines at the library. Life is an ongoing challenge. Budget websites. providentliving.org, budget worksheet. budgetplanner.com. wesabe.com, track your finances by linking to your online finance accounts, but it also leverages its community to make recommendations and tips that can help save you money. budgetsaresexy.com. betterbudgeting.com. mybudget360.com. Gizo.com. gettingfinancesdone.com/blog. bankrate.com/brm/rate/calc_home.asp, bankrate.com, budget calculators. cgi.money.cnn.com/tools/instant budget/instant budget_101.jsp, budget maker online. houseclicks.com/owning/budget1.html, budget, sample budget form. debtadvice.org/credit101/budget_debt_ws.pdf, budget worksheet. pairbudget.com. publications.usa.gov/cic_text/money/keeprecords/keeprecords.htm. personalbudgeting.com. betterbudgeting.com. mint.com. goodhousekeeping.com/money/budget. personalbudgeting.suite101.com. budgettracker.com. simpleplanning.net. personalfinancebudgeting.com. fool.com/personal-finance. money.cnn.com/magazine/money101/lesson2/index.htm, creating a budget. cnnmoney.com. students.sfu.ca/financialaid/budget.html, creating a budget. Financial plan. Dead website, try.dash.com, thoughtco.com, thebalance.com/od/budgeting eourmoney/ht/create budget.htm, how to create a budget. Financial statement websites. booferdca.com/fs/samplefs.pdf, sample financial statements. greatstatements.com, sample financial statements. esuretybond.com/sample financial statement.pdf. ibm.com/financials, how to read a financial statement. efinancialanalysis.com. Account aggregation service. Your bank may offer account aggregation, which is a service that allows you to view accounts held at other financial institutions. You can use sites like wesabe.com, mint.com, yodlee.com. Still another option is to install personal finance software from quicken.com or microsoft.com, MSN Money, which automatically downloads info from your accounts on the internet so that when you call it up on your computer, it's all right there. Master list of what you spend your money on. Cable/TV. Car maintenance. Car gas. Car loan. Car/transportation. Car toll/paid parking. Car insurance. Cell phone. Charitable contribution. Child care, daycare. Clothes. Club memberships. Coffee. Computer games. Dental insurance. Dining out. Disability insurance. Entertainment, movies, concerts, sporting events. Food. Gardener. Gas and electric. Gifts. Groceries. Hair care. Health insurance. Heating. Home phone. Home equity loan. Home insurance. Internet. Life insurance. Long-term care insurance. Magazine subscriptions. Maintenance workers/cleaners. Maintenance. Manicures, pedicures. Medical co-pays after insurance. Mortgage/rent. Pet health. Pet food. Private school tuition. Property tax. Public transportation, bus, subway, ferry. Repairs/home improvement. Snow removal. Utilities. Vacations. Water. Money help websites. helpguide.org. aidpage.com. savingadvice.com. patientadvocate.org. angelfire.com/mn/hshare, helping warm the lives of the elderly, disabled and others who have nowhere else to turn through the winter. 800charitycars.org, provide a free vehicle and vehicle support services to assist disadvantaged families in their transition from dependency to self-sufficiency. 800 Charity Cars Vision. angelfoodministries.com, providing grocery relief and financial support to communities throughout the United States. acf.hhs.gov/program/ocs/LEHEAP, low income energy assistance, if you can't afford to pay your home energy bill. acf.hhs.gov/program/ocs/leheap/grantees/states.html. Low income energy assistance if you can't afford to pay your home energy bill. homeevhereafter.com. oneclickgifts.net. aarp.org/money. Dead website, try.dash.com, thoughtco.com, thebalance.com/money. acer.org/ped-onc/cf-issues/finance-help/finhelp.html. afrugallifestyle.com. allaboutpopularissues.org/financial-problems-faq.htm. allaboutpopularissues.org/money-problems.htm. allthingsfrugal.com. altavista.org/topical_items/finance.html. amazingzecrets.com, $25 for insider knowledge. ameriprise.com/financial-fitness. andfreebsforal.com. andrewtobias.com. answers.yahoo.com. answers.yahoo.com, money is a problem over Christmas help. articles.moneycentral.msn.com. articles-based.com/article-tag/investing-money-advice. askmen.com/money/career. atps.com/consultingmanual.htm. badcreditresources.com. bankaholic.com/finance. beingfrugal.net. betterbudgeting.com. billionairewoman.com. busyblog.com. blackexcel.org/fin-sch.htm. blogcatalog.com/blog-with-fergie/post/tag/save-money/. blogs.moneycentral.msn.com. blogs.moneycentral.msn.com/smart-spending. boston.com/business. budgeting.financenewstoday.com. budgetplanningsaving.com. budgetprogram.com. carersuk.org/information/financial help. cherrymag.com.au. christianti.com/loans/badcreditloans.htm. christianti.com/tips/personal loan for poor credit.htm. cnnmoney.com. corastaff.com. coupons.com. creditadvisors.com. debtorsanonymous.org. debts-challenge.com. direct.gov.uk/n/education and learning/adult learning/financial help EF or adult learners/index.htm. directlendingsolutions.com. dol.gov/ebss/pdf/savingsfitness.pdf. drfrugal.com. economist.com/finance. edebtfree.org/money-problems.htm. atis.ifas.ufl.edu/he155. e-financialhelp.com. ehow.com. ehow.com, how to work through financial problems. elliot.org. elliot.org. eurodebt.com, Eurodebt Financial Services, Debt Adjusters. Examiner.com/X-23408-Tampa-Frugal-Living-Examiner Y2009M11D9-Online-Frugal-Living-Publications. EasyNarticles.com/question mark financial-help-for-single-mothers&ID =274716. Families.com. family-security-through-frugal-living.com. fcclink.org/content/financial-fitness, youth teaching one another how to make, save, and spend money wisely. fearlessmoney.com. fffl.ncee.net, financial literacy program for grades K-12. finance.google.com. finance.yahoo.com. financialfitness.biz. financialfitness.depal.edu. financialfitness.ik.com. financialfitnessassociation.org. financialfitnessaustin.org. financialfitnesscoach.com. financialfitnessservices.com. Financial plan. Dead website, try.dash.com, thoughtco.com, thebalance.com/library/how-to/htbudget.htm. freemoneyfinance.com. frugal.families.com. frugalchick.net. frugalchick.net. frugaldad.com. frugalforlife.blogspot.com. frugalfund.com. frugalhacks.com. frugality-guru.com. Frugal living. Dead website, try.dash.com, thoughtco.com, thebalance.com. frugal-living-tips.com. frugalmom.net. frugalsimplicity.com. frugaltimes.com. frugalupstate.com. frugalurban.wordpress.com. frugalurbanite.com. frugalvillage.com. frugal-wise.com. frugallyankey.com. genxfinance.com. getfrugal.com. getoutofdebt.org/tag/money-problems. getrichslowly.org. guidancefinancial.com. sunlife.ca/myfinancialplan. handspring.com, budget program on this PDA. helpwithdebtnow.com. helpwithdebtnow.com/frugal-living-basics-of-saving-money.html. helpwithmoney.net. hffn.net, Hood's Financial Fitness Network provides financial services to the Kant area. hollyyjahangiri.blogspot.com. homeev-to-how-to-save-money-buy-getting-almost-everything-for-free. homemoneyhelp.com. homemoneyhelp.com. homemoneyhelp.com/ebookadpage.html. homemoneymanager.com. hubpages.com/topics/personal-finance. ideas.thenest.com/money-advice/money-questions.aspx. interest.net/hue/calc, financial calculator. i-say.com. ivillage.com. joetaxpayer.com/category/frugal. johnny-ong.blogspot.com/2009/06/how-frugal-r-u-lately.html. kenrockwell.com/tech/how-to-afford-anything.htm. kfinancial.com. knowledge.wharton.upenn.edu. landwear.com. lazyenvironmentalist.com. lazyemonundmoney.com. lifeasmom.com. amandascookin.blogspot.com. lime.com. lockergenome.com. lonestar.texas.net/budget. longwaitforisabella.blogspot.com. luonline.com/help/moneyproblemsmain.php, help for students. macpa.org/content/16215.aspx, Money management articles. Managingmoney.com. Marriage. Dead website, try.com, thoughtco.com, thebalance.com/od/finances/a/financialinsert.htm. menusformoms.com/articles/household_budgeting.php. microsoft.co.ke/education/ensmeet.msbx. You need a budget.com. microsoft.com/dynamics, software. microsoft.com/money, software. microsoft.com/money/support/support_manual.msbx. mint.com/blog/finance-course/9-smart-money-tips-to-help-you-quit-your-job. me-s4money.net. modestneeds.org. mommiesaverse.com. mommieswishlist.blogspot.com. momslikeme.com. Money problem websites. money.aol.com. money.cnn.com. money.cnn.com/video. moneycentral.msn.com. moneycentral.msn.com/planning/home.asp. moneymadeclear.fsa.gov.uk. moneyning.com/frugality/don't-save-money-on-everything. moneyproblems.50megs.com. moneyproblems.ca. moneyzavingexpert.com. money-saving-ideas.net. moneyzavingmom.com. curtsy.com. maridhanmoney.org. mothersraisingboys.com. personal-development-is-fund.com. topsy.com. onefrugalmama.com. netcrema.com. storiedmoney.blogspot.com. theoffertree.com. brocasespoke.com. wilymom.com. petulaw.com. usabeistcreditreport.com. sandwichinc.com. projectwonderful.com. mydollarplan.com. myfinancialfitness.org. mymoneyblog.com. myopenwallet.net. myspendingplan.com. nehc.med.navy.mil/l-guide/personnel/financial_problems/financial_problems.htm. newsblogs.chicagotribune.com/marksjarvis_on_money. notes from the frugaltrenches.com. notmadofmoney.com. nw.org/network/neighborworksprog/financialfitness/default.asp. newyorktimes.com/pages/business/yourmoney. onemindconnect.com. paintedgold.com/food/frugal-shopper.html. palm.com/software, budgeting software on this PDA. palmgear.com/software. personalbudgeting.suite101.com. personal-budgeting-works.com. personalwebguide.com/being-frugal. programsforworkingpeople.com. allbusiness.com/personal-finance. kiplinger.com/personalfinance/tools. quicken.com, software. redflagdeals.com. reiontrepreneur.com. reiontrepreneur.com/blogs/financing-houses/private-money-advice-articles. reuters.com/articles/personal-finance news. savingadvice.com. schwab.com/simple solutions, budgeting worksheet, and other basics. scroogestoretegi.com. sharonhr.blogspot.com. showmomthemoney.com. singlemomfinancialhelp.com. soon.org.uk/problem/money.htm. splashdata.com. stretcher.com/blogs. stretchydollar.com. swapmamas.com. craigslist.org. tabornet.org, helping families solve their housing and financial problems. technorthy.com/business/finance. thedigi-life.com/index.php/2009/05/26/best-ways-to-save-money-frugal-ideas. thethriftylife.com. thrifty411.com. thriftyscott.co.uk. thriveNTFinancialFitnessClub.com. totallymoney.com. ultrasoft.com. usatoday.com/money/front.htm. usdebtnegotiations.com. users.starpower.net/newdeal/high-risk-loans.html. usmc-mccs.org/leaders-guide/personal/financial/findistress.htm. voiceofsandiego.org. voiceofsandiego.org, San Diego's nonprofit source of daily news. vscpa.com/financial_fitness, Virginia Society of Certified Public Accountants. vscpa.com/financial_fitness/get_financially_fit/financial_articles.aspx. wisebread.com. work.com. worryfreecredit.com. xfcu.org/money/checking balance. youtube.com/user/homemakerbarbie. Chapter 3. Find an accountant. Accountant's info. In hiring an accountant or a tax consultant to fill out your tax forms, the IRS has reported that many of these so-called professionals file incorrect returns. Many set up business for the tax season and vanish very soon after, so your best bet is to stick with a nationally known chain like H&R Block. You are ultimately responsible for your own tax returns, so make sure you get a qualified tax accountant to do the work for you. There is a difference between ordinary public accountants who generally have no licensing requirements and certified public accountants, CPAs, which are college educated and have to pass rigorous tests before they're certified. To file a complaint against a CPA or to check one out, contact American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Harborside Financial Center. 201 Plaza 3. Jersey City, New Jersey, 07311-3881. 201-938-3175. educat@aicpa.org. aicpa.org. The ICPA may refer you to a local office in your state to resolve the dispute, or they may investigate themselves. You can also complain to your state's Office of Accountancy. Hire an accountant. Most businesses fail not for lack of good ideas or goodwill, but rather for lack of financial expertise and planning. Being disorganized or having poor documentation and filing procedures can cause problems, especially if the taxman wants to audit your business. You need airtight accounting records. You need an accountant to go over basic numbers with you. Even with all the accounting software out there, hiring an accountant is still a wise thing to do, because the goods know the tricks for you to take the maximum deductions and credits on your taxes. Even if you keep your own books, hire an accountant to audit them. Are your financial assumptions and projections realistic? How much of your startup capital should come from equity versus debt? What tax payments will you need to make and when? Look for an accountant as you would an attorney. Get referrals from trusted friends, business associations, or professional organizations. Discuss fees in advance and draw up a written agreement about how you will work together. Your accountant, along with your lawyer, can advise about initial business decisions, such as the form of the business. Your accountant will help set up your books, draw up and analyze profit and loss statements, advise on financial decisions, and give advice on cash requirements for your startup phase. He or she can make budget forecasts, help prepare financial information for a loan application, and handle tax matters. Most accounting firms will maintain books of original entry, prepare bank reconciliation statements and post the general ledger, prepare balance sheets and income statements on a quarterly or semi-annual basis, and design and implement various accounting and record-keeping systems. They will also get your federal and state withholding numbers for you, give instructions on where and when to file tax returns, prepare tax returns and do general tax planning for the small business person. Your accountant is your financial advisor. He or she should alert you to potential danger areas and advise you on how to handle growth spurts, how to best plan for slow business times and how to financially nurture and protect your business future. Whenever you pay a professional such as an attorney, accountant, or a consultant to do something involving paperwork for you, ask for an electronic copy of the document, or paperwork on a disk since he or she, in all likelihood, created it on a computer. They might charge you a bit more but it might be worth it. For example, if they give you a contract in MS Word, if you need a similar contract in the future, you can edit that one a bit without paying to make up a whole new one. I've seen accounting books at number 332 at the library. Books about taxes are at hashtag 336.2-9, 343.73, 347.303 and hashtag 352.44 at the library, HJ 2361 of the Library of Congress System and the Government Documents section. American Bar Association. 750 North Lakeshore Drive, Chicago, Illinois 60611. 800-621-6159. Abanet.org. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. 201 Plaza 3. Harborside Financial Center, Jersey City, New Jersey 07311. 800-862-4272. 888-999-9256. AICPA.org. Association of Chartered Accountants in the United States. 341 Lafayette Street, number 4246. New York, New York 10012-2417. 212-334-2078. Accounts.org. American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers. 6001 Montrose Road, number 500. Rockville, Maryland 20852. 800-622-0121. ipb.com. Chartered Accountants of Canada. 277 Wellington Street West, Toronto, on M5V2H2. 416-977-3222. CICA.ca. Canadian Bookkeepers Association. 2435 Mansfield Drive, number 201D. Courtney, BCV 9N2 square meters. 250-334-2427. C-B-A-C.ca. Chapter 4. An Accounting Website Guide. Major accounting websites. I've seen accounting books at number 332 at the library. Books about taxes are at hashtag 336.2-9, 343.73, 347.303 and hashtag 352.44 at the library, HJ 2361 of the Library of Congress System and the Government Documents section. CPAdirectory.com. FOSB.org, Financial Accounting Standards Board. IFAC.org, the International Federation of Accountants. CalcPA.org, California Society of Certified Public Accountants. TaxSites.com/associations2.html, Directory of US and International Accounting Associations. IMANA.org, Institute of Management Accountants. AAQ.org, American Accounting Association. AAFA.com, American Association of Finance and Accounting. ACPA.org, Hispanic. AMCF.org/index.asp, Association of Management Consulting Firms. IMCUSA.org, Institute of Management Consultants. Accounting.com. Accounting.rutgers.edu/raw. Accounting.rutgers.edu/raw/a, Academy of Accounting Historians. Accounting.rutgers.edu/raw/AAA, American Accounting Association. Accounting-center.com. accountingviewcation.com. accountingnet.com. accountingnet.com. accountingnet.ie. accountancymagazine.com. accountingpage.com. accountingprinciples.com. accountingprofessional.com. accountingresearchmanager.com. accountingspecialists.com. accounting2less4tutors.com. accountingweb.com. accountingx.info. accountsworld.com. acctg.info. acfe.org, Association of Certified Fraud Examiners. afponline.org, Association for Finance Professionals. agacgfm.org, Association of Government Accountants. a-i-a.org.uk. ip.org, Professional Bookkeepers. aicpa.org, American Institute for Certified Public Accountants. aicpa.org/about/code/index, Code of Professional Conduct. aicpa.org/members/div/audits/DD, Audit and Attest Standards. aicpa.org/no limits, Student Affiliate Members Page. aicpa.org/pub/jofa, Journal of Accountancy. aicpa.org/state/SDMAP, Accounting by State. ip.com, 800-622-0121, Professional Bookkeepers. Accounting Websites 1. accounting-and-bookkeeping-tips.com, Make Money from Home, Bookkeeping. cpatrack.com. coloradoaccountants.com, Tips, tools, and information to help Colorado financial professionals. netledger.com. cpateam.com/cvas, Clearinghouse for Volunteer Accounting Services. nsacct.org, National Society of Accountants. eaa-online.org/association/eaa, European Accounting Association. asmconline.org, American Society of Military Controllers. eva.org, the International Virtual Assistance Association. gasb.org, Governmental Accounting Standards Board. iasb.org, International Accounting Standards Board. vscpa.com, Virginia Society of Certified Public Accountants. fosb.org, Financial Accounting Standards Board. imana.org, Institute of Management Accountants. aq.org, American Accounting Association. agacgfm.org, Association of Government Accountants. ap-cpa.org, the Association of Practicing CPAs. cpaaustralia.com.au, Certified Practicing Accountants of Australia. eaa-online.org, European Accounting Association. accountantsworld.com. accountingcommunity.com. boggerview.com, accounting and finance information in an easy-to-follow structure. abs2bkkp.com/index.html, Associated Bookkeeping Services. newcash.org, open source accounting software. accounting.freeware-software.info. sagespark.com, Accountants Directory, get listed in it. accountantsworld.com. accountsportal.com, real-time online accounting system. simplejoe.com, debt reduction, simple accounting and personal finance software. bookd.com, implement a booking system easily. accounts.org, 212-334-2078, Association of Chartered Accountants. freeaccountingsoftware.net, allbusiness.com/accounting. acca.co.uk. Accountants. accountancyarch.com. accountantsworld.com. ace-cpa.com, Accounting Institute Seminars. amcf.org, Association of Management Consulting. anet.scu.edu.au/anet. arthuranderson.com. auditnet.com. bkionline.org, Bombay Chartered Accountants. bls.gov/oco, look up career section for accountants. Canada. careersinaccounting.com. cfenet.com, certified fraud examiners. cgiacanada.org. cgia-canada.org. chadwick-not.co.uk. cica.ca, Canada. cma-canada.org. Collection agencies. compassoft.com. computercpa.com. cpadirectory.com. cpadvisor.com, put in your area code for list of CPAs. cpafinder.com. cpajournal.com. cpanet.com. cpapsf.org, 888-777-7077, American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. cparuner.com. cpavision.org. cpemarket.com, accounting education. dhmc.dartmouth.edu. Directory. dla.co.uk. electronicaccontant.com. elsevier.com, 800-521-8110, The Corporate. euro.net/innovation/management_base. euc.com. fasab.gov, Federal Accounting Standards Advisory Board. fosb.org, Financial Accounting Standards Board. facv.org, Financial Executives Institute. Accounting websites too. fisher.osu.edu/acctmis/hall, Accounting Hall of Fame. forensic-accounting-information.com. freedownloadcenter.com/business/accounting_tools business.com/directory/accounting. galegroup.cpm, 800-877 Gale, Finance. gao.gov, U.S. General Accounting Office. gao.gov/govaud/ybk01, Government Auditing Standards Yellow Book. gasb.org, Governmental Accounting Standards Board. gruntal.com, Accounting Info. hansonsoftware.com. huntswood.co.uk. iaaer.org, International Association for Accounting Education. isc.org.uk, cpaindependence.org, International Accounting Standards Board. iasplus.com, International Accounting Standards. icaeu.co.uk. icaeu.co.uk/menus/links/links.htm, Accounting. icaeu.org.uk/welc-text.html. icas.org.uk. ifac.org, International Federation of Accountants. ifad.net, International Forum on Accountancy Development. imana.org, Institute of Management. ima-pa.org, Institute for Management Accountants. Insurance and Real Estate USA Directory. kentiz.com/acctgpro.html #CPA firm, list of. kentiz.com/siteseeker/firms.html, list of. Learn accounting at home business-opportunity.com/learning_quickbooks.htm. Links. loudthinking.com/arc. luca.com/CPA journal. myaccountingportal.com. nobinc.org, National Association of Black Accountants. nact.org, National Association for Corporate Treasurers. nasba.org, State Boards of Accountancy. natptax.com, National Association of Tax Practitioners. ncpa.org. newman.barrick.cuny.edu/digital/sax, Distinguished Lectures in Accounting. nsacct.org, National Society of Accountants. nyscpa.org, New York State Society of CPAs. omnigroup.com/application/omnioutliner/extras. quickbooks.com. Quicken.com. raw.rutgers.edu. raw.rutgers.edu/raw/internet/internet1.htm. roberthalf.com, several booklets. rutgers.edu/accounting. rutgers.edu/accounting.raw.htm. sec.gov/info/accountants. simplyaccounting.com. sjiia.org, San Jose Institute for Internal Auditors. smartpros.com, accountants for the public interest. smartpros.com, career section, accounting education. Sourcebook, America's Corporate Finance. ssrn.com/arn, Accounting Research Network. taxsites.com/international2.html, International Accountant. theiia.org, Institute of Internal Auditors. todayscga.org, Certified General Accountants of. uflib.ufl.edu/cm/business/tutors/acc-tutor, Accounting Tutor. unf.edu/miscellaneous/jmeyer/arl.html, Auditing. uoregon.edu/tilde-nfargas/acts. vscpa.com, Virginia Society of Certified Public Accountants. webtrust.org. quickbooks.com. myob.com. peachtree.com. quicken.com. findaccountingsoftware.com. Accounting fraud/forensic accounting. Accounting fraud is huge. Accountants cheat the businesses and people they do the books for. Accountants in corporations cook the books to keep their stock prices up. If you suspect a cheat, hire a forensic accountant. If you want to be a forensic accountant, check out these resources. forensicaccounting.com. fbs.aicpa.org/resources/anti-fraud forensic accounting. acfe.org, Association of Certified Fraud Examiners. cfenet.com, Certified Fraud Examiners. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/forensic_accounting. knowledgeproblem.com, Forensic Financial Management. bmc-ll.p.com/resources/services/consulting/fraud forensic accounting/tobd/113/default.aspx. bus.lsu.edu/accounting/faculty/lcrumbly/forensic.html. cel.cmich.edu/fa/faq.html, Forensic Accounting and Fraud Investigation FAQs. cfopros.com, Forensic Accounting Firms, Dallas. cpenet.net/forensic.htm, PNET Lectures on Fraud Examination and Forensic Accounting. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/forensic_accounting. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/journal_of_forensic_accounting. forensicaccountingadvisors.com. forensicgateway.wvu.edu. frauddetectives.com. fraudinformation.com, Quackenbush and Hansen, Seattle. freedmaxic.com/forensic_accounting.php, forensic accounting firm serving Buffalo, Rochester, Syracuse, Albany, New York. indiaforensic.com, forensic accounting in India. Investigation. investigation.com/forensic_accounting.htm, forensic accounting for fraud detection. investigativeaccountinggroup.com. johndouglas.ca, forensic accounting and fraud investigations, Toronto, on. knowledgestorm.com, forensic fraud software. mfacornerstone.com, fraud and forensic accounting, Tewksbury, Ma. mfa-cpa.com/solutions/litigation-support/fraud-and-forensic-accounting.pdf. michelsonscpa.com. moretyler.com. nyscpa.org/cpa journal. papascoltd.com, Arizona Forensic Accounting. papasforensics.com, Arizona Forensic Accounting, Fraud Investigation. RomeAssociation.com, Chicago, IL. rtedwards.com/journal/chfa, Journal of Forensic Accounting. Sequence-inc.com, Forensic Accounting and Fraud. Target.com/auditing-forensic-tommy/dp/0471785911, book for sale. Trinity.edu/rjensen/fraud.htm, Bob Jensen's links to accounting fraud. WilsonAccounting.biz, Forensic Accountant, Seattle. wisahart-wisahart.com. FBI Corporate Fraud Hotline. 888-622-0177. Association of Certified Fraud Examiners. 716 West Avenue, Austin, Texas 78701. 800-245-3321. acfe.org. Accounting websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/accounting. Subcategories: Business to business, CPE for CPAs, Expert witnesses, Firms, Household employment, Outsourcing, Small business, Tax negotiation and representation. By region: Associations, Dictionaries, Education and training, Employment, News and media, Resources, Software, IRS.gov, Internal Revenue Service, sec.gov/edgar.html, Edgar Database of Online Corporate Financial Information, copies of Forms 10-K and other filings with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Forms are posted to the site 24 hours after the filing date. FOSB.org, Financial Accounting Standards Board, the designated private sector organization in the U.S. that establishes financial accounting and reporting standards. GAO.gov, U.S. Government Accountability Office, investigative arm of Congress charged with examining matters relating to the receipt and payment of public funds. GASB.org, Governmental Accounting Standards Board, GASB, working to establish and improve standards of U.S. state and local governmental accounting and financial reporting that will result in useful information for users of financial reports. PCAOBus.org, Public Company Accounting Oversight Board, the PCAB is a private sector, non-profit corporation, created by the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, to oversee the auditors of U.S. public companies to protect the interests of investors and further the public interest in the preparation of informative, fair, and independent audit reports. SmartPros.com, SmartPros, resource-based accounting site with articles, industry news, student study guides, and a directory of firms, associations, and journals. Business budgeting websites. Write out a budget/cash flow statement listing all fixed and monthly expenses. Achieve123.net, resources on evaluating small business opportunities and budgeting. Adatum.com, business planning, budgeting, and forecasting software. Alightplanning.com, budgeting software. APPL9.com, business intelligence, budgeting, forecasting software. Articleco.com/category/budgeting. Bees Finance. Dead website, try.dash.com, thoughtco.com, and thebalance.com is dead. Try thoughtco.com/od/business budgeting/business_budgeting.htm. bizhelp24.com/accounting/budgeting-in-small-business-14.html. bnet.com. budgetingsoftware.net. budgetmaestro.com. business.com. business.com. business.com/directory/accounting/budgeting_and_forecasting. businessbudgetinghelp.com. businessbudgetsolutions.com. businessfinancemag.com. businessweek.com/smallbiz. cartses.com, business, corporate and enterprise performance management software solutions. Centage.com, business budgeting software. Cognos.com. danc.digitary.com/financial. ebookbusiness.org. ehow.com, how to create a home business budget. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/budget. entrepreneur.com/money. fmuniversity.edu/administration/business/budgeting.htm. foxway.com, budgeting email course, free. freedownloadcenter.com/business. gabler.com/budgeting-mistakes.htm. dc.com. inc.com. listscripts.com/91/budgeting-business-small-software.html. microsheet.com/budget_sheets.htm. microsoft.com/small business/resources/startups/budgeting.msbx. morebusines.com/running_your_business. mybudgetingtips.com. outsourcingbookkeepingservices.com. ozgrid.com/services/budget-creation.htm, budget software. prophix.com/budgeting. chewontrich.com, budgeting and forecasting software. sagesoftware.com. sba.gov. shopping.com/xgs-business_budget, business budget computer software. smallbusinessbrief.com. smallbusinessnots.com/operating/financials/tmts/budget-example.html. thesmallbusinessguru.com. totalfinancialmanagement.com. which-business-software.info/budgeting-business-software/index.php. Chapter 5. An Accounting Firm Guide. Some accounting companies, no websites. Care First Blue Cross Blue Shield. Clifton Gunderson LLP. Constellation Energy. Defense Contract Audit Agency. Deloitte & Touche LLP. Ernst & Young LLP. KPMG LLP. Legg Mason. Morgan Stanley. National Security Agency. Northrop Grumman Corporation. PricewaterhouseCoopers LLC. Resnick Group. RSM McGladrey, Inc. SCNH Group LLC. Under Armour. Accounting company websites, jobstars.com/accounting-employers. bakertilly.com/careers. bdo.com/careers. cricpa.com/careers. careers.cbh.com. jobs.crowhorwath.com. deloitte.com/us/n/pages/careers/topics/careers.html. careers.dhgllp.com/experienced-professionals. ey.com/gl/n/careers. grantthornton.com/careers.aspx. home.kpmg.com/us/n/home/careers.html. mosadams.com/careers/apply. plantmoran.com/join-r-team. pwc.com/us/n/careers.html. rsmus.com/careers.html. A list of accounting companies. Amper Politziner and Madia. 2015, Lincoln Highway. POG 988. Edison, New Jersey, 08818. 732-287-1000. Fax, 732-287-3200. Amper.com. Anken, Block and Anken. 1375 Broadway. New York, New York, 10018. 212-840-3456. Fax, 212-840-7066. Enchin.com. Burden LLP. 360 Madison Avenue. New York, New York, 10017. 212-832-0000. 0400. Fax, 212-371-1159. verdonllp.com. BMC. 2609 Kaiser Boulevard, Wyomissing, Pennsylvania 19610. 610-927-4910. Fax, 610-927-9809. bmcvision.com. BKD LLP. Hammonds Tower, 901 E St. Louis Street, Suite 1800. POG 1900. Springfield, Missouri 65801-1900. 417-831-7283. Fax, 417-831-4763. bkd.com. Cherry, Beckert, and Holland LLP. 1700 Bayberry Court, Suite 300. Richmond, Virginia 23226-3791. 804-673-4224. Fax, 804-673-5799. cbh.com. Citron Cooperman and Company, LLP. 529 5th Avenue 2nd FL. New York, New York 10017. 212-697-1000. Fax, 212-697-1004. CitronCooperman.com. Clifton Gunderson LLP. 301 Southwest Adams Street, Suite 600. Peoria, Illinois 61602. 309-671-4560. Fax, 309-671-4576. CliftonCPA.com. Croce Isaac & Co. LLC. 330 East Jefferson Boulevard, South Bend, Indiana 46601. 574-232-3992. Fax, 574-236-8692. Crochezek.com. Deloitte & Touche USA LLP. 1633 Broadway, New York, New York 10019. 212-489-1600. Fax, 212-489-1687. Deloitte.com. BDO Sidemon, LLP. 130 E. Randolph, Suite 2800. Chicago, Illinois 60601. 312-240-1236. BDO.com/careers. Dixon Hughes PLLC. 1829 East Chester Drive, High Point, North Carolina 27261-2612. 336-889-6168. Fax, 336-889-2812. Dixon-Hughes.com. Ida Bailey LLP. 3203 32nd Avenue SW, Fargo, North Dakota 58103. 701-239-8500. Fax, 701-239-8611. IdaBailey.com. Eisner LLP. 750 3rd Avenue, New York, New York 10017. 212-949-8700. 100 Campus Drive, Florham Park, New Jersey 07932. 973-593-7000. EisnerLLP.com. Elliott Davis, LLC. 200 East Broad Street, POB 6286. Greenville, South Carolina 29606. 864-242-3370. Fax, 864-232-7161. ElliottDavis.com. Ernst & Young LLP. 5 Times Square, New York, New York 10036-6530. 212-773-3000. Fax, 212-773-6350. ey.com. Frank, Reimerman Plusco. LLP. 60 South Market Street Suite 500. San Jose, California 95113. 408-279-5566. Fax, 408-279-8284. frankrimmerman.com. Friedman LLP. 1700 Broadway, New York, New York 10019. 212-842-7000. Fax, 212-842-7001. friedmanllp.com. Goodman & Co. 1 Commercial Place, Norfolk, Virginia 23510-2119. 757-624-5100. Fax, 757-624-5233. goodmanco.com. Grant Thornton LLP. 175 West Jackson Boulevard, 20th floor, Chicago, Illinois 60604. 312-856-0200. Fax, 312-602-8099. grantthornton.com. J.H. Cohn LLP. 4 Becker Farm Road, Roseland, New Jersey 07068. 973-228-3500. Fax, 973-631-6221. jhcohn.com. Kennedy & Co., LLC. 3030 Cortland, POG 1100. Salina, Kansas 67402. 785-825-1561. Fax, 785-825-5371. kco.com. KPMG LLP. 345 Park Avenue, New York, New York 10154-0102. 212-758-0700. Fax, 212-758-9819. us.kpmg.com. Larson, Allen, Weishar & Co. LLP. 220 South 6th Street, Suite 300. Minneapolis, Minnesota 55402-1436. 612-376-4500. Fax, 612-376-4850. larsonallen.com. Mahoney, Cohen & Company. CPA, PC. 1065 Avenue of the Americas, New York, New York 10018. 212-790-5700. Fax, 212-398-0267. mahoneycohen.com. Markham & Kliegman LLP. 10 Melville Park Road, Melville, New York 11747. 631-414-4000. Fax, 631-414-4001. mkllp.com. McGladry & Pullen LLP. 3600 American Boulevard, West, 3rd floor, Bloomington, Minnesota 55431-1082. 952-835-9930. Fax, 952-921-7702. mcglaudre.com. Moss Adams LLP. 1001 4th Avenue, 31st floor, Seattle, Washington 98154-1199. 206-223-1820. Fax, 206-652-2098. mossadams.com. Parente Randolph LLC. 2 Penn Center Plaza, Suite 1800. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19102-1725. 215-972-0701. Fax 215-563-4925. Parentanet.com. Plant and Moran PLLC. 27400 Northwestern Highway, Southfield, Michigan 48034. 248-352-2500. Fax 248-352-0018. PlantMoran.com. PricewaterhouseCoopers LLP. 300 Madison Avenue, New York, New York 10017. 646-471-3000. Fax 813-286-6000. pwc.com/us. Racklin Cohen and Holds, LLP. SunTrust International Center. 1 SE 3rd Ave, 10th floor. Miami, Florida 33131. 305-377-4228. Fax 305-377-8331. Rachlin.com. Remen Group, The 5800 Gresham Road, Suite 201. Saginaw, Michigan 48603. 989-799-9580. Fax 989-799-0227. Araman.com. Resnick Group, 7700 Old Georgetown Road, Suite 400. Bethesda, Maryland 20814. 301-652-9100. Fax 301-652-1848. ResnickGroup.com. Rothsteinkasse, 4 Becker Farm Road, Roseland, New Jersey 07068. 973-994-6666. Fax 973-994-0337. Arcaco.com. Verkov, Kraus & Co. 10 Terrace Court, Madison, Wisconsin 53718. 608-249-6622. Virchowkraus.com. Vital Cacciarino & Company. 80 City Square, Boston, Massachusetts 02129. 617-912-9000. Fax 617-912-9001. Vital.com. Weiser LLP. 135 West 50th Street, New York, New York 10020. 212-812-7000. Fax 212-375-6888. WeiserLLP.com. Whipley LLP. 11 Scott Street, Wausau, Wisconsin 54403. 715-845-3111. Fax 715-842-7272. Whipley.com. Witham Smith plus Brown. 5 Vaughn Drive, Princeton, New Jersey 08540. 609-520-1188. Fax 609-520-9882. Witham.com. Use primeglobal.net to find firms. Non-members don't get direct websites. Members get full benefits, but they have free info for non-members. They provide a list of 310 accounting firms, but you have to click one by one to get the website and other info. youtube.com/UCRVCVSNRJHHLQE5IBJ89M9Q. linkedin.com/company/primeglobalaCCT. facebook.com/pages/primeglobal/333506206725857. twitter.com/primeglobalaCCT. primeglobal.net/firms. primeglobal.net/firms/map. Here are a few of their list. primeglobal.net/firm/AAC-auditing-and-accounting-company. primeglobal.net/firm/AAFCPAs. primeglobal.net/firm/ababi-accountants-and-consultants. primeglobal.net/firm/abullah-fia-avital-s-rensky-co. primeglobal.net/firm/acc-census-chartered-accountants-sa-and-registered-auditors. primeglobal.net/firm/atches-group-s-r-o. primeglobal.net/firm/accordia-acr. primeglobal.net/firm/accordia-fgv. primeglobal.net/firm/ad. primeglobal.net/firm/aidenusi-company. primeglobal.net/firm/ibara-espino-y-cia-s-c. primeglobal.net/firm/ena-auditores-y-consultor-es. primeglobal.net/firm/afigec. primeglobal.net/firm/ag-international-consulting. primeglobal.net/firm/aha-expertises-consiles. primeglobal.net/firm/al-salhia-certified-public-accountants. primeglobal.net/firm/alaska-esv. primeglobal.net/firm/allen-gibbs-holik-l-c. primeglobal.net/firm/alliance-financial-services-ltd. primeglobal.net/firm/alpha-audit. primeglobal.net/firm/andrew-associates-cpa-limited. primeglobal.net/firm/ang-co-poc. primeglobal.net/firm/aoba-cpa-limited. primeglobal.net/firm/aoyama-sogo-accounting-firm-co-ltd. Lists of accounting firms. Refer to the book Emerson's Directory of Leading U.S. Accounting Firms. Kentiz.com/siteseeker/firms.html, list of accounting firms. Kentiz.com/acctgpro.html #CPA firm, list of accounting firms worldwide. cpadirectory.com. cpafinder.com. cpafirms.com/firm list. emersoncompany.com/directories/acct search. yahoo.com/business_and_economy/companies/financial_services. taxsites.com/international2.html, international accountant. Associated Accounting Firms International. 1000 Connecticut Avenue. Number 1006. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-463-7900. Fax, 202-296-0741. Trade Group. Associated Regional Accounting Firms. 3700 Crestwood Parkway. Number 350. Duluth, Georgia 30136. 770-279-4560. Fax, 770-279-4566. Trade Group. The Big Accounting Firms. The major 6 accounting firms with offices in most cities in Canada and the United States are as follows: Arthur Andersen & Co., Coopers & Lybrand, Deloitte & Touche, Ernst & Young, KPMG, Price Waterhouse, BMC, 2609 Kaiser Boulevard, Wyomissing, Pennsylvania 19610, 610-927-4910. Fax, 610-927-9809. bmcvision.com. BKD LLP. Hammonds Tower. 901 E St. Louis Street, number 1800. POG 1900. Springfield, Missouri 65801-1900. 417-831-7283. Fax, 417-831-4763. bkd.com. Cherry, Beckert, and Holland LLP. 1700 Bayberry Court. Number 300. Richmond, Virginia 23226-3791. 804-673-4224. Fax, 804-673-5799. cbh.com. Citron Cooperman and Company. LLP. 529 5th Avenue 2nd FL. NYC 10017. 212-697-1000. Fax, 212-697-1004. CitronCooperman.com. Clifton Gunderson LLP. 301 Southwest Adams Street. Number 600. Peoria, Illinois 61602. 309-671-4560. Fax, 309-671-4576. CliftonCPA.com. Croce Isaac & Co. LLC. 330 East Jefferson Boulevard. South Bend, Indiana 46601. 574-232-3992. Fax, 574-236-8692. Crochezek.com. Deloitte & Touche USA LLP. And its subsidiaries. 1633 Broadway. NYC 10019. 212-489-1600. Fax, 212-489-1687. Deloitte.com. BDO Sidemon, LLP. 130 E. Randolph. Number 2800. Chicago, Illinois 60601. 312-240-1236. BDO.com. Dixon Hughes PLLC. 1829 East Chester Drive. High Point, North Carolina 27261-2612. 336-889-6168. Fax, 336-889-2812. Dixon-Hughes.com. Ida Bailey LLP. 3203 32nd Avenue SW. Fargo, North Dakota 58103. 701-239-8500. Fax, 701-239-8611. IdaBailey.com. Eisner LLP. 750 3rd Avenue. NYC 10017. 212-949-8700. 973-593-7000. EisnerLLP.com. Elliott Davis, LLC. 200 East Broad Street. PO Box 6286, Greenville, South Carolina 29606. 864-242-3370. Fax, 864-232-7161. ElliottDavis.com. Ernst & Young LLP. 5 Times Square. NYC 10036 to 6530. 212-773-3000. Fax, 212-773-6350. EY.com. Frank, Reimerman Co. LLP. 60 South Market Street, number 500. San Jose, California 95113. 408-279-5566. Fax, 408-279-8284. FrankRimmerman.com. Friedman LLP. 1700 Broadway. NYC 10019. 212-842-7000. Fax, 212-842-7001. FriedmanLLP.com. Goodman & Co. 1 Commercial Place, Norfolk, Virginia 23510-2119. 757-624-5100. Fax, 757-624-5233. GoodmanCo.com. Grant Thornton LLP. 175 West Jackson Boulevard, 20th floor, Chicago, Illinois 60604. 312-856-0200. Fax, 312-602-8099. GrantThornton.com. J.H. Cohn LLP. 4 Becker Farm Road, Roseland, New Jersey 07068. 973-228-3500. Fax, 973-631-6221. jhcohn.com. Kennedy & Co., LLC. 3030 Cortland, POG 1100. Salina, Kansas 67402. 785-825-1561. Fax, 785-825-5371. kco.com. KPMG LLP. 345 Park Avenue, NYC 10154-0102. 212-758-0700. Fax, 212-758-9819. us.kpmg.com. Larson, Allen, Weishar & Co. LLP. 220 South 6th Street, Number 300. Minneapolis, Minnesota 55402-1436. 612-376-4500. Fax, 612-376-4850. LarsonAllen.com. Mahoney, Cohen & Company. CPA, PC. 1065 Avenue of the Americas, NYC 10018. 212-790-5700. Fax, 212-398-0267. MahoneyCohen.com. Markham & Kliegman LLP. 10 Melville Park Road, Melville, New York 11747. 631-414-4000. Fax, 631-414-4001. mkllp.com. McGladry & Pullen LLP. 3600 American Boulevard, West, 3rd floor, Bloomington, Minnesota 55431-1082. 952-835-9930. Fax, 952-921-7702. McGlaudre.com. Moss Adams LLP. 1001 4th Avenue, 31st floor, Seattle, Washington 98154-1199. 206-223-1820. Fax, 206-652-2098. MossadAMS.com. Parente Randolph LLC. 2 Penn Center Plaza, number 1800. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19102-1725. 215-972-0701. Fax, 215-563-4925. Parentenet.com. Plant and Moran PLLC. 27400 Northwestern Highway, Southfield, Michigan 48034. 248-352-2500. Fax, 248-352-0018. PlantMoran.com. PricewaterhouseCoopers LLP. 300 Madison Avenue, NYC 10017. 646-471-3000. Fax, 813-286-6000. pwc.com. Racklin Cohen and Holtz, LLP. SunTrust International Center. 1 SE 3rd Ave, 10th floor. Miami, Florida, 33131. 305-377-4228. Fax, 305-377-8331. Rachlin.com. Remen Group, The 5800 Gresham Road. Number 201. Saginaw, Michigan, 48603. 989-799-9580. Fax, 989-799-0227. Araman.com. Resnick Group. 7700 Old Georgetown Road. Number 400. Bethesda, Maryland, 20814. 301-652-9100. Fax, 301-652-1848. ResnickGroup.com. Rothsteinkasse. 4 Becker Farm Road. Roseland, New Jersey, 07068. 973-994-6666. Fax, 973-994-0337. Arcaco.com. Verkov, Kraus, & Co. 10 Terrace Court. Madison, Wisconsin, 53718. 608-249-6622. Virchowkraus.com. Vital Cacciarino & Company. 80 City Square. Boston, Massachusetts, 02129. 617-912-9000. Fax, 617-912-9001. Vital.com. Weiser LLP. 135 West 50th Street. NYC 10020. 212-812-7000. Fax, 212-375-6888. WeiserLLP.com. Whipfly LLP. 11 Scott Street. Wausau, Wisconsin, 54403. 715-845-3111. Fax, 715-842-7272. Whipfly.com. Witham Smith plus Brown. 5 Vaughn Drive. Princeton, New Jersey, 08540. 609-520-1188. Fax, 609-520-9882. Witham.com. Accounting firm websites 1. CPAdirectory.com. AccountantSync.com, 800-491-9411. AFWCPA.com. Amper.com, Edicon, Anjanchin.com, New York CBurdonLLP.com, New York CAACPA.com, Virginia. ArthurAnderson.com. BA-Group.com. BDMP.com, New England. BDO.com, BDO Dunwoody. BeesonCPA.com, Roanoke, VA. Bloomer-CPA.com, Pensacola, FL. Brooke-Wiener.com, Chicago. BusinessOn.com/Blair, Rhode Island. CanBCPA.com. CGMCO.com, Florida, Pennsylvania. ChaiTFinancial.com. Chopsticks.com/CPA. ClarkAssociatesCPA.com, West Virginia. Constantine.com. Cox-Oldham.com, Kentucky. CPABookkeeping.com. CPAFinder.com. CPACFO.com. CPANow.com, Connecticut. CPAOwn.com, Maryland. CRCPA.com, Torrance, CA. Chris.com/Madhu-NN, Glendora, CA. Crosslink.net/CPA, Maryland. CWAmus.com, Baltimore. Cyber-CPA.com. DDAT.com/CPA. Deloitte.com, Deloitte.ca, dgm-acctg-serves.com, duelingmabe-cpa.com, Texas, dtonline.com, elmore-cpa.com, ey.com, foxall.com, f-s-r.com, accounting for churches and ministries, getsoft.com, forensic accounting, gti.org, graymail.com, Boston, greencompany.com, greenwallace.com, Ohio, gruntal.com, gvieracpa.com, hon-cpa.com, Washington, D.C., honc.com, Grand Rapids, Me, hawaiicpa.com, henderco.com, hhcpa.com, Arizona, hsimon-association.com, income.com/inc.htm, jcfcpa.com, San Diego, kelly-co.com, lampariscpa.com, New England, leesperling.com, Los Angeles, lifenet.com, morino.com/pgm, California, mfrgroup.com, Texas, michaelsoncpa.com, mrhh.com, Atlanta, Georgia, msco-cpa.com, East Coast, Florida, netcpa.com, nihao.com/yt, firm from China, papefinancial.com, phdcpa.com, pwcglobal.com, pricewaterhousecoopers.com, rbm.com, Southeast, pricewaterhousecoopers.com, sandersonknox.com, sati.com, sek.com, Maryland, specdata.com/hfcpot, New York, tcdcpa.com, Valdosta, GA, tomasphilipsk.com, tdsscpa.com, Tulsa, OK, vinesolutions.com, food industry accounting, wagnercompany.com, Missouri, wasserman.com, accounting firm websites too, enchin.com, armaninollp.com, bakertilly.com, bdo.com, verdonllp.com, bkd.com, bloomshapiro.com, benadio.com, bpmcpa.com, bswllc.com, cbh.com, cbiz.com, citroncooperman.com, cliftonlarsonallen.com, cohencpa.com, cohnresnick.com, cricpa.com, crowhorwath.com, deloitte.com/us, dhgllp.com, duran.com, idabailey.com, eisneramper.com, elliottdavis.com, ey.com, frankrimmerman.com, friedmaxick.com, friedmaxick.com/careers, friedmanllp.com, grantthornton.com, grassicpas.com, kpmg.com, markhamllp.com, markspianeth.com, mbecpa.com, mossadams.com, mwellp.com, novoco.com, pkfod.com, plantmoran.com, pwc.com/us, raman.com, rsmus.com, rubenbrown.com, siegfriedgroup.com, seekych.com, uhiadvisors-us.com, untracked.com, weaverllp.com, wiserllp.com, wgcpas.com, whipfly.com, withum.com, accounting firm websites 3, Arthur Anderson & Co. 1666 K St. N.W. Washington, D.C. 20006. 202-862-3100. ArthurAnderson.com. Baden, Conrad, Gage. And Schroeder. 400 Metro Bildetag. 202 West Berry Street. Fort Wayne, IN 46802. 210-422-2551. Berger, Goldstein, & Co. Number 350, 510 Lake Cook Road. Deerfield, Illinois 60015. 708-948-7700. Blue & Co. POB 80069. Indianapolis, Indiana 46280-0069. 317-848-8920. Boyd, Olafson, & Co. The Tower, Box 4085. Yakima, Washington 98901. 509-248-3571. Clark, Schaefer, Hackett, & Co. 160 North Briel Boulevard. Middleton, Ohio 45042-3803. 513-424-5000. Coopers & Lybrand. 1251 Avenue of the Americas. NYC 10020. 212-536-2000. Counselor, Buchanan & Mitchell. 7101 Wisconsin Avenue. Bethesda, Maryland 20814. 301-986-0600. Crisp, Hughes & Co. POB 3049. Asheville. NC 28802. 704-254-2254. Derderian, Ken. Seaforth and Salucci. Number 520, 3001 West Big Beaver. Troy, ML 48084. 313-649-3400. Eckhoff Accountancy Corporation. POB 6088. San Rafael, California 94903. 415-499-1408. Ernst & Young. 3000 K St. N.W. Washington, D.C. 20007. 202-956-6000. EY.com. Evans, Porter, Bryan, & Co. 1800 Gaslight Tower. 235 Peachtree Street. NE. Atlanta, Georgia 30393. 404-586-0133. Feely & Driscoll. 100 North Washington Street. Boston, Massachusetts 02114. 617-742-7788. Israeloff, Tratner, & Co. 11 Sunrise Plaza. Valley Stream, New York 11580-6169. 516-872-3300. Lage, Evers, & Company. 1913 William Street. Jefferson City, Missouri 65109. 314-635-0227. Levine, Cooper, Spiegel, & Co. Number 1000. 11835 West Olympic Boulevard. Los Angeles, California 90064. 213-477-7111. McDonald, Page, & Co. 562 Congress Street. Portland, Maine 04101. 207-774-5701. McGriff, Dowdy & Associates. POB 1188. Albertville, Alabama 35950. 205-878-5548. McMahon, Hartman, Amundsen, & Co. POB 1067. St. Cloud, Minnesota 56302. 612-251-4266. Mosbach, Griffith, & Co. 5835 Grand Avenue, Des Moines, Iowa 50312. 515-279-6505. Price Waterhouse, 1801K St. N.W. Washington, D.C. 20006. 202-296-0800. PricewaterhouseCoopers.com. Yerger and Meyer. POB 695,098. Portland, Oregon 97201-9862. 503-295-1288. York, Neal, & Co. Hashtag A, 145 Last Center Street, Madisonville. KY 42431. 502-825-4578. Zelenkovsky, Axelrod, & Co. 615 Benjamin Fox Pavilion, Jenkintown, Pennsylvania 19046. 215-572-7410. Lists of accountants and financial advisors. Accountant-finder.com. accountantdirectory.us. accounting8.com. accountingmatch.com. allfinancedirectory.com. cdn.brightlocal.com. collegaL.ca. cpadirectory.com. cpadirectory.com. cpafinder.com. fcdcorp.net. finaceal9.com. financedirectory.net.au. financial.website-directory-uk.com. financialservicedirectory.com. financialstep.com. find-uk-accountant.co.uk. findagoodcpa.com. insidermedia.com. local-accountants-uk.co.uk. paparoa.org.nz. searchaccountant.co.uk. theryghtfinancialadvisor.com. ukaccountingfirms.co.uk. wallethub.com. wealthmanagement.com. wiseradvisor.com. Chapter 6. An Accounting License Guide. Accountancy licensing boards by state. Many of these places provide the names of licensed accountants and accountant companies. National Association of State Boards of Accountancy, NASBA. 150 4th Avenue North. Number 700. Nashville, Tennessee 37219. NASBA.org. National Association of State Boards of Accountancy. 545 5th Avenue. NYC 10168. 212-490-3868. NASBA.org. Alabama. asbpa.state.al.us/register/register.asp. Alaska. dced.state.ak.us/occ/occ start.cfm. Arizona. accountancy.state.az.us. Arkansas. accessarkansas.org/asbpa, public accountant. California. state.ca.us. Colorado. dora.state.co.us/pls/real/arms_search.disclaimer_page. Connecticut. state.ct.us. Delaware. state.de.us. District of Columbia. state.dc.us. Florida. myfloridalicense.com/licensing. Georgia. secure.sos.state.ga.us/myverification. Hawaii. ehawaii.gov.org/serf/pvl. Idaho. state.id.us/boa/htm/license. Illinois. dpr.state.il.us/license lookup/default.asp. Indiana. State.in.us. Iowa. State.ia/government/com/prof/search. Kansas. ink.org/public/ksboa. Kentucky. cpa.state.ky.us/locate. Louisiana. State.la.us. Maine. State.me.us. Maryland. dllr.state.md.us/query/cpa. Massachusetts Accounting License. license.reg.state.ma.us/public/lick.asp. Michigan. cis.state.mi.us/verify. Minnesota. boa.state.mn.us. Mississippi. state.ms.us. Missouri. riversrun.ded.state.mo.us/professionalregistration.pl. Montana. app.discoveringmontana.com/bsdinq/index. Nebraska. nol.org/home/bpa/license. Nevada. state.nv.us. New Hampshire. state.nh.us. New Jersey. state.nj.us/lps/ca/accountancy/accdir. New Mexico. rld.state.nm.us/b&c/accountancy/licensee_search.asp. New York. op.nis.gov/opsearches, htm:\NME. North Carolina. cpaboard.state.nc.us. North Dakota. state.nd.us/ndsba/database/sba-search.asp. Ohio. state.oh.us/acc/search. Oklahoma. state.ok.us/oab/firms. state.ok.us/oab/twodr. Oregon. boahost.forest.net/licksearch.lasso. Pennsylvania. license.cepa.state.pa/default.asp. Rhode Island. state.ri.us. South Carolina. lookup.lronline/com/index.asp. South Dakota. state.sd.us/dcr/accountancy/nreg.pdf. Tennessee. state.tn.us/commerce/roster2.pl. Texas. tsbpa.state.tx.us. Utah. secure.e-utah.org/llv. Vermont. sec.state.vt.us/seek/lrspeak. Virginia. boa.state.va.us, accounting firm. board.state.virginia/regulant lookup, accountants. Washington. state.wa.us. West Virginia. state.wv.us/script/wv-boa. Wisconsin. 165.189.238.43/PLSQL/PLSQL/search_IND_BDP. drlchq.state.wi.us/pleascal/chq/cred_holder_query. Wyoming. cpaboard.state.wy.us/search.cfm. State CPA associations and societies. akcpa.org, Alaska CPAs. akcpa.org/careers/jobs, Alaska CPAs. arcpa.org, Arkansas CPAs. arcpa.org/classifieds.html. ascpa.com, Arizona CPAs. ascpa.com/content/events/classifieds.aspx. ascpa.org/content/home.aspx, Alabama CPAs. calcpa.org/classified/public/search.aspx. calcpa.org/content/home.aspx, California CPAs. careercenter.ascpa.org. careercenter.gscpa.org. careercenter.vscpa.com. careers.incpas.org. careers.mocpa.org/jobs. careers.ms-cpa.org. careers.ncacpa.org. careers.wicpa.org/jobs. cocpa.org, Colorado CPAs. cocpa.org/resources/classified-ads.html. cpadallas.org, Dallas CPAs. cpadallas.org/classifieds.cfm. cscpa.org/classified/public/search.aspx. cscpa.org/content/home.aspx, Connecticut CPAs. dscpa.org, Delaware CPAs. dscpa.org/careers/job_listings.php. ficpa.org/content/cpa resources/classifieds-jobs.aspx. ficpa.org/content/home.aspx, Florida CPAs. gscpa.org/content/home.aspx, Georgia CPAs. gwscpa.org, District of Columbia CPAs. gwscpa.org/career_center, jobs. houstoncpa.org, Houston CPAs. houstoncpa.org, jobs. hscpa.org. Hawaii CPAs. hscpa.org/careers/index.php. iacpa.org/homepage.aspx, Iowa CPAs. icpas.org, Illinois CPAs. icpas.org/careerhelp.htm. idcpa.org, Idaho CPAs. idcpa.org/resources/helpwanted.aspx. incpas.org/home.aspx, Indiana CPAs. kscpa.org/classifiedads.cfm. kycpa.org, Kentucky CPAs. kycpacareers.com. lcpa.org, Louisiana CPAs. lcpa.org/classifiedads.html. macpa.org/content/classified/public/search.aspx. macpa.org/content/home.aspx, Maryland CPAs. mecpa.org, Maine CPAs. mecpa.org/careers/job_listings.php. mikehcpa.org, Michigan CPAs. mikehcpa.org/classified/public/search.aspx. mncpa.org, Minnesota CPAs. mncpa.org/cpa-careers/cpa-classifieds. mocpa.org/content/home.aspx, Missouri CPAs. Montana CPAs. ms-cpa.org, Mississippi CPAs. mscpa.org, Montana CPAs. mscpaonline.org, Massachusetts CPAs. mscpaonline.org/careers/browse_jobs. ncacpa.org/home.aspx, North Carolina CPAs. ndscpa.org, North Dakota CPAs. ndscpa.org/careerservices.htm. nescpa.org, Nebraska CPAs. nevadacpa.org, Nevada CPAs. nhscpa.org. New Hampshire CPAs. nhscpa.org/careers/jobs. New Jersey scpa.careerbank.com. New Jersey scpa.org, New Jersey CPAs nmscpa.org, New Mexico cpasmscpa.org/classified/list/job_post/10/1 nscpa.careerbank.com. nyscpa.careerbank.com. nyscpa.org, New York State CPAs ohiocpa.com/content/home.aspx, ohiocpsohiskpa.com/home.aspcorkpa.org, Oregon cpasorkpa.org/job_find_score_yobiskpa.com/cpaslash/clas.aspskpa.com/home.asp, Oklahoma CPAs pycpa.org, Pennsylvania CPAs riscpa.org, Rhode Island CPAs riskpa.org/job-bank, sacpasociety.com, San Antonio CPAs sacpasociety.com/pages/employment/job_listing.php, scacpa.careerbank.com, scacpa.org, South Carolina CPAs sdcpa.careerbank.com, sdcpa.org, South Dakota cpastcpa.com, Tennessee CPAs tscpa.com/publicinfo/classifieds.aspx, tscpa.org, Texas CPAs uacpa.careerbank.com, uacpa.org, Utah CPAs vscpa.com, Virginia CPAs vtcpa.org, Vermont CPAs vtcpa.org/career_center, jobs, wicpa.org, Wisconsin CPAs wscpa.org, Washington State CPAs wscpa.org/content/careers/job.aspx, wvscpa.org, West Virginia CPAs wyocpa.org, Wyoming CPAs. Chapter 7. An Accounting Organization Guide. A list of accounting organizations. 1. accountmps.com, aaq.org/index.cfm, American Accounting Association, aicpa.org/pages/default.aspx, American Institute of CPAs, imana.org/ima_home.aspx, Association of Accountants and Financial Professionals in Business, agacgfm.org, Association of Government Accountants, cpafirms.com, fosna.org, Forensic Accountants Society of North America, nasba.org, National Association of State Boards of Accountancy, the iia.org, the Institute of Internal Auditors, thiswaytocpa.com, CPCU Society, the Professional Association for Chartered Property and Casualty Underwriters, 720 Providence Road, Malvern, Pennsylvania 19355, cpcusociety.org. A list of accounting organizations. 2. American Accounting Association, 5717 Bessie Drive, Sarasota, Florida 34233-2399, aaq.org. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, Harborside Financial Center, 201 Plaza 3, Jersey City, New Jersey 07311-3881, 201-938-3175, educat@aicpa.org, aicpa.org. The ICPA may refer you to a local office in your state to resolve the dispute, or they may investigate themselves. You can also complain to your state's Office of Accountancy. American Bar Association, 750 North Lakeshore Drive, Chicago, Illinois 60611, 800-621-6159, abanet.org. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, 201 Plaza 3, Harborside Financial Center, Jersey City, New Jersey 07311, 800-862-4272, 888-999-9256, aicpa.org. Association of Chartered Accountants in the United States, 341 Lafayette Street, number 4246. New York, New York, 10012-2417. 212-334-2078. Accounts.org. American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers. 6001, Montrose Road. Number 500. Rockville, Maryland, 20852. 800-622-0121. ipb.com. American Society of Women Accountants, ASWA. 8405, Greensboro Drive. Number 800. McLean, Virginia, 22102-5120. 800-326-2163. 703-506-3265. Fax, 703-506-3266. ASWA.org. American Women's Society of Certified Public Accountants, OSCPA. 136 South Kiowa Street. Dayton, Ohio, 45402. AWSCPA.org. Association for Accounting Administration. 136 South Kiowa Street. Dayton, Ohio, 45402. 513-222-0030. Fax, 513-2212-5794. Association of Government Accountants, AGA. 2208 Mount Vernon Avenue. Alexandria, Virginia, 22301-1314. AGACGFM.org. Association of Latino Professionals in Finance and Accounting. 510 West 6th Street. Number 400. Los Angeles, California, 90014. ALPFA.org. Governmental Accounting Standards Board, GASB. 401 Merit 7. POG 5116. Norwalk, Connecticut, 06856-5116. 203-847-0700. Fax, 203-849-9714. GASB.org. Information Systems Audit and Control Association. ISACA. 3701 Algonquin Road. Number 1010. Rolling Meadows, Illinois, 60008. ISACA.org. Institute of Internal Auditors Incorporated. 247 Maitland Avenue. Altamonte Springs, Florida, 32701-4201. TheIIA.org. Institute of Management Accountants. 10 Paragon Drive. Montvale, New Jersey, 07645. IMANA.org. National Association of Black Accountants, NABA. 7249A Hanover Parkway. Greenbelt, Maryland, 20770. NABAinc.org. National Society of Accountants, NSA. 1010 North Fairfax Street. Alexandria, Virginia, 22314-1574. NSACCT.org. National Association of State Boards of Accountancy. 545 Fifth Avenue. New York, New York, 10168-0002. 212-490-3868. National Society for Public Accountants. 1010 North Fairfax Street. Alexandria, Virginia, 22314. 703-549-6400. A list of accounting organizations. 3. Association of Government Accountants, AGA. 2208 Mount Vernon Avenue. Alexandria, Virginia, 22301-1314. 800-242-7211. AGA members at agacgfm.org. agacgfm.org. Association to Advance Collegiate Schools of Business. 777 South Harbor Island Boulevard. Number 750. Tampa, Florida, 33602-5730. 813-769-6500. aacsb.edu. Accountancy and Taxation. 1330 Braddock Place. Number 540. Alexandria, Virginia 22314-1650. 888-289-7763. info@acatcredentials.org. acatcredentials.org. /. / 801 South Grand Avenue. Number 400. Los Angeles, California 90017-4677. 714-757-6133. alpfa.org. Accounting and Financial Women's Alliance. 2365 Harrodsburg Road A325. Lexington, Kentucky 40504-3366. 800-326-2163. afw@afwa.org. afwa.org. American Federation of Government Employees. ADFST, NW. Washington, D.C. 20001-1583. 202-737-8700. comments@afge.org. afge.org. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, ICPA. 1211 Avenue of the Americas. NYC 10036 to 8775. 212-596-6200. service@aicpa.org. aicpa.org. American Women's Society of Certified Public Accountants. 1430 Yale Street. Houston, Texas 77008-4213. 713-893-5685. info@awscpa.org. awscpa.org. American Accounting Association. 9009 Town Center Parkway. Lakewood Ranch, Florida 34202-4165. 941-921-7747. info@aaq.org. aaq.org. American Women's Society of Certified Public Accountants, OSCPA. 136 South Keowee Street. Dayton, Ohio 45402. awscpa.org. American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers. 6001 Montrose Road. Number 500. Rockville, Maryland 20852. 800-622-0121. ipb.com. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. 201 Plaza 3. Harborside Financial Center. Jersey City, New Jersey 07311. 800-862-4272. 888-999-9256. aicpa.org. American Bar Association. 750 North Lakeshore Drive. Chicago, Illinois 60611. 800-621-6159. abanet.org. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Harborside Financial Center. 201 Plaza 3. Jersey City, New Jersey 07311-3881. 201-938-3175. educat@aicpa.org. aicpa.org. American Society of Women Accountants, ASWA. 8405 Greensboro Drive. Number 800. McLean, Virginia 22102-5120. 800-326-2163. 703-506-3265. Fax, 703-506-3266. aswa.org. A list of accounting organizations for New York Society of Security Analysts, NISA. 1540 Broadway. Number 1010. NYC 10036 to 2714. 212-541-4530. Education at nisa.org. nisa.org. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation FDIC. 3501 North Fairfax Drive, Arlington, Virginia 22226-3599. 877-275-3342. Public info at fdic.gov. fdic.gov. Financial Executives International FA. 1250 Headquarters Plaza West Tower, 7th FL. Morristown, New Jersey 07960-6837. 973-765-1000. Institute of Tax Consultants. 7500 212th SW. Number 205. Edmonds, Washington 98026-7617. 425-774-3521. taxprofessionals.homestead.com/welcome.html. Institute Professionals in Taxation. IPT. 600 North Park Town Center, 1200 Abernathy Road. Hashtag L2. Atlanta, Georgia 30328-1040. 404-240-2300. IPT.org. Institute of Internal Auditors. IIA. 1035 Greenwood Boulevard. Number 401. Lake Mary, Florida 32746-5412. 407-937-1111. Customer Relations at theiia.org. theiia.org. Internal Revenue Service IRS. irs.gov/tax-professionals/enrolled-agents. International Federation of Accountants IFAC. 529 5th Avenue 6th FL. NYC 10017 to 4649. 212-286-9344. Communications at ifac.org. ifac.org. ISACA. 3701 Algonquin Road. Number 1010. Rolling Meadows, Illinois 60008-3124. 847-253-1545. ISACA.org. Management Accountants IMA. 10 Paragon Drive. Number 1. Montvale, New Jersey 07645-1760. 800-638-4427. IMA at imana.org. imana.org. National Association of Black Accountants. NABA. 7474 Greenway Center Drive. Number 1120. Greenbelt, Maryland 20770-3559. 301-474-6222. nabainc.org. National Association of Corporate Treasurers. NACT. 11130 Sunrise Valley Drive. Number 350. Reston, Virginia 20190-3221. 703-437-4377. NACT at nact.org. nact.org. National Association of Enrolled Agents. 1730 Rhode Island Avenue, NW. Number 400. Washington, D.C. 20036-3953. 855-880-6232. Info at nea.org. nea.org. National Association of Forensic Accountants. NAFA. 10001 West Oakland Park Boulevard. Number 301. Sunrise, Florida 33351-6925. Mail at nafanet.com. nafanet.com. National Association of Tax Consultants NATC. 321 West 13th Avenue. Eugene, Oregon, 97401-3402. National Association of Tax Consultants.org. National Association of Tax Professionals. NATP. POB 8002. Appleton, Wisconsin, 54912-8002. 800-558-3402. natp@natptax.com. natptax.com. National Conference of CPA Practitioners. 22 Jericho Turnpike. Number 110. Mineola, New York, 11501-2937. 888-488-5400. go.nccpap.org. National Society of Accountants. 1330 Braddock Place. Number 540. Alexandria, Virginia, 22314-1650. 800-966-6679. Members at nsacct.org. nsacct.org. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC. 400 7th Street, SW. Washington, D.C. 20219-0006. 800-613-6743. occ.gov. Tax Executives Institute, Inc. 1200 GST, NW. Number 300. Washington, D.C. 20005-3814. 202-638-5601. AskT@T.org. TEI.org. The Foundation. 64 Pleasant Street, POB 458. Wenham, Massachusetts, 01984-1319. 978-468-6528. FCE.org. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. SEC. 100 FST, NE. Washington, D.C. 20549-2000. 202-942-8088. Public info at sec.gov. sec.gov. A list of accounting organizations. 5. Accounting and Financial Women's Alliance. 2365 Harrodsburg Road, A325. Lexington, Kentucky, 40504-3366. 800-326-2163. AFW@afwa.org. afwa.org. Accountancy and Taxation. 1330 Braddock Place. Number 540. Alexandria, Virginia, 22314-1650. 888-289-7763. info@acatcredentials.org. acatcredentials.org. Alpha. 801 South Grand Avenue. Number 400. Los Angeles, California, 90017-4677. 714-757-6133. alpha.org. Global Academy of Finance and Management. 1670 F East Cheyenne MTN Boulevard, Box 293. Colorado Springs, Colorado, 80906-4002. info@gafm.org. aafm.us. American Accounting Association. 9009 Town Center Parkway. Lakewood Ranch, Florida, 34202-4165. 941-921-7747. info@autoq.org. autoq.org. American Federation of Government Employees. 80 FST, NW. Washington, D.C. 20001-1583. 202-737-8700. Comments at afge.org. afge.org. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. 1211 Avenue of the Americas. NYC 10036 to 8775. 596-6200. Service at aicpa.org. aicpa.org. American Women's Society of Certified Public Accountants. 1430 Yale Street, Houston, Texas 77008-4213. 713-893-5685. Info at awscpa.org. awscpa.org. Association of Computers and Taxation. POG 1093. Warwick, New York 10990-8093. 845-987-9690. taxact.org. Association of Financial Professionals. 4520 East-West Highway, number 750. Bethesda, Maryland 20814-3354. 301-907-2862. afponline.org. Association of Certified Fraud Examiners. 716 West Avenue, Austin, Texas 78701-2727. 800-245-3321. acfe.com. Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. 212-310-0105. info.usa@accaglobal.com. accaglobal.com. Association of Government Accountants. 2208 Mount Vernon Avenue, Alexandria, Virginia 22301-1314. 800-242-7211. AGA members at agacgfm.org. agacgfm.org. Association to Advance Collegiate Schools of Business. 777 South Harbor Island Boulevard, number 750. Tampa, Florida 33602-5730. 813-769-6500. aacsb.edu. Banking Strategies Magazine. By 115 South LaSalle Street, number 3300. Chicago, Illinois 60603-3801. 800-224-9889. info@bai.org. bai.org. Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System. 20th St. and Constitution Ave, NW. Washington, D.C. 20551-0001. 888-851-1920. federalreserve.gov. CFA Institute. 915 East High Street, Charlottesville, Virginia 22902-4868. 800-247-8132. info@cfainstitute.org. cfainstitute.org. Chartered Institute of Management Accountants. The Helican. London, EC2M2RB, United Kingdom. 44 0 2088-49-2251. CIMA.contact@cimaglobal.com. cimaglobal.com. Women in Accounting. 136 South Kiowa Street, Dayton, Ohio 45402-2241. 937-424-3391. info@fwa.org. fwa.org. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. 3501 North Fairfax Drive, Arlington, Virginia 22226-3599. 877-275-3342. Public info@fdic.gov. fdic.gov. Financial Executives International. 1250 Headquarters Plaza West Tower, 7th FL. Morristown, New Jersey 07960-6837. 973-765-1000. Financialexecutives.org. Foundation. 64 Pleasant Street, POG 458. Wenham, Massachusetts 01984-1319. 978-468-6528. fce.org. Institute of Management Accountants. 10, Paragon Drive. Number 1. Montvale, New Jersey, 07645-1760. 800-638-4427. ima@imana.org. imana.org. Institute of Professionals in Taxation. 600, North Park Town Center, 1200, Abernathy Road. #L2. Atlanta, Georgia, 30328-1040. 404-240-2300. ipt.org. Institute of Internal Auditors. 1035, Greenwood Boulevard. Number 401. Lake Mary, Florida, 32746-5412. 407-937-1111. Customer Relations at theiia.org. theiia.org. Institute of Tax Consultants. 7500 212th SW. Number 205. Edmonds, Washington, 98026-7617. 425-774-3521. kramerc@juno.com. taxprofessionals.homestead.com/welcome.html. Internal Revenue Service. irs.gov/tax-professionals/enrolled-. Agents. International Federation of Accountants. 529, 5th Avenue 6th FL. NYC 10017 to 4649. 212-286-9344. Communications@ifac.org. ifac.org. ISACA. 3701, Algonquin Road. Number 1010. Rolling Meadows, Illinois, 60008-3124. 847-253-1545. ISACA.org. National Association of Black Accountants. 7474, Greenway Center Drive. Number 1120. Greenbelt, Maryland, 20770-3559. 301-474-6222. nobinc.org. National Association of Corporate Treasurers. 11130, Sunrise Valley Drive. Number 350. Reston, Virginia, 20190-3221. 703-437-4377. NACT@nact.org. nact.org. National Association of Enrolled Agents. 1730, Rhode Island Avenue, NW. Number 400. Washington, D.C., 20036-3953. 855-880-6232. info@naya.org. naya.org. National Association of Forensic Accountants. 10001, West Oakland Park Boulevard. Number 301. Sunrise, Florida, 33351-6925. mail@nafanet.com. nafanet.com. National Association of Tax Consultants. 321 West 13th Avenue. Eugene, Oregon, 97401-3402. National Association of Tax Consultants.org. National Association of Tax Professionals. POB 8002. Appleton, Wisconsin, 54912-8002. 800-558-3402. natp@natptax.com. natptax.com. National Conference of CPA Practitioners. 22, Jericho Turnpike. Number 110. Mineola, New York, 11501-2937. 888-488-5400. go.nccpap.org. National Society of Accountants. 1330, Braddock Place. Number 540. Alexandria, Virginia, 22314-1650. 800-966-6679. Members at nsacct.org. nsacct.org. New York Society of Security Analysts. 1540 Broadway. Number 1010. NYC 10036 to 2714. 212-541-4530. Education at nisa.org. nisa.org. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. 400 7th Street SW. Washington, D.C. 20219-0006. 800-613-6743. occ.gov. Tax Executives Institute, Inc. 1200 GST, NW. Number 300. Washington, D.C. 20005-3814. 202-638-5601. AskTET.org. TEI.org. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. 100 FST, NE. Washington, D.C. 20549-2000. 202-942-8088. Public info at sec.gov. sec.gov. A list of accounting organizations. 6. American Accounting Association. 5717 Bessie Drive. Sarasota, Florida, 34233-2399. AutoQ.org. Some accounting companies, no websites. Accounting company websites, jobstars.com/accounting-employers. A list of accounting companies. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Harborside Financial Center. 201 Plaza 3. Jersey City, New Jersey, 07311-3881. 201-938-3175. Educat at aicpa.org. aicpa.org. The ICPA may refer you to a local office in your state to resolve the dispute, or they may investigate themselves. You can also complain to your state's Office of Accountancy. American Bar Association. 750 North Lakeshore Drive. Chicago, Illinois, 60611. 800-621-6159. Abanet.org. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. 201 Plaza 3. Harborside Financial Center. Jersey City, New Jersey, 07311. 800-862-4272. 888-999-9256. aicpa.org. Association of Chartered Accountants in the United States. 341 Lafayette Street. Number 4246. New York, New York, 10012-2417. 212-334-2078. Accounts.org. American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers. 6001 Montrose Road. Number 500. Rockville, Maryland, 20852. 800-622-0121. ip.com. American Society of Women Accountants, ASWA. 8405 Greensboro Drive. Number 800. McLean, Virginia, 22102-5120. 800-326-2163. 703-506-3265. Fax, 703-506-3266. ASWA.org. American Women's Society of Certified Public Accountants, OSCPA. 136 South Keowee Street. Dayton, Ohio, 45402. AWSCPA.org. Association for Accounting Administration. 136 South Keowee Street. Dayton, Ohio 45402. 513-222-0030. Fax, 513-2212-5794. Association of Government Accountants, AGA. 2208 Mount Vernon Avenue, Alexandria, Virginia 22301-1314. agacgfm.org. Association of Latino Professionals in Finance and Accounting. 510 West 6th Street, number 400, Los Angeles, California 90014. alpfa.org. Governmental Accounting Standards Board, GASB. 401 Merit 7. POB 5116. Norwalk, Connecticut 06856-5116. 203-847-0700. Fax, 203-849-9714. GASB.org. Information Systems Audit and Control Association. ISACA. 3701 Algonquin Road, number 1010. Rolling Meadows, Illinois 60008. ISACA.org. Institute of Internal Auditors Incorporated. 247 Maitland Avenue, Altamonte Springs, Florida 32701-4201. TheIIA.org. Institute of Management Accountants. 10 Paragon Drive, Montvale, New Jersey 07645. imana.org. National Association of Black Accountants, NABA. 7249A Hanover Parkway, Greenbelt, Maryland 20770. NABAinc.org. National Society of Accountants, NSA. 1010 North Fairfax Street, Alexandria, Virginia 22314-1574. NSACCT.org. National Association of State Boards of Accountancy. 545 Fifth Avenue, New York, New York 10168-0002. 212-490-3868. National Society for Public Accountants. 1010 North Fairfax Street, Alexandria, Virginia 22314. 703-549-6400. Accounting Resources. Accounting News Magazine. Corporate Accounting Magazine. 210 South Street, Boston, Massachusetts 02111. 617-423-2020. Affiliation of Independent Accountants. 9200 South Dadeland Boulevard, number 510. Miami, Florida 33156. 305-670-0580. Fax, 305-921-7747. American Assembly of Collegiate Schools of Business. 605 Old Ballas Road, number 220. St. Louis, MO 63141. Get a list of accredited business schools. American Association of Attorney CPAs. 24196 Alicia Parkway. #K. Mission Viejo, California 92691. 714-768-0336. American Accounting Association. 5717 Bessie Drive, Sarasota, Florida 34233. 941-921-7747. AAA-edu.org. Academic Organization. American Assembly of Collegiate Schools of Business. 605 Old Ballas Road, number 220. St. Louis, Missouri 63141. American Association of Hispanic CPAs. 17526 Colima Road, number 270. Roland Heights, CA 91748. 818-965-0643. acpa.org. American Bankruptcy Institute. 44, Canal Plaza. Number 404. Alexandria, Virginia, 22314-1592. 703-739-0800. Bankruptcy Overview Book. American Business Directories Incorporated. 5711 South 86th Circle. Box 27347. Omaha, Nebraska, 68127. 402-593-4600. Fax, 402-331-5481. Fax, 402-596-7688. 800-284-8353. 800-808-1113. SalesLeadSusa.com. See DROMs in many topics. American Compensation Association. 14040 North Northside Boulevard, Scottsdale, Arizona, 85260. 602-951-9191. ACA News. American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers. 6001 Montrose Road, Rockville, Maryland, 20852. ipb.org. American Institute of CPAs. 1211 Avenue of the Americas, NYC 10036 to 8775. 212-575-6200. 800-862-4272. AICPA.org. American Society of Tax Professions. POG 1024. Sioux Falls, South Dakota, 57101. 605-335-1185. American Society of Women Accountants. 1255 Linfield Road, number 257. Memphis, Tennessee, 38119. 901-680-0470. American Women's Society of CPAs. 401 North Michigan Avenue, number 2200. Chicago, Illinois, 60611. 312-661-1700. Associated Accounting Firms International. 1000 Connecticut Avenue, number 1006. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-463-7900. Fax, 202-296-0741. Associated Regional Accounting Firms. 3700 Crestwood Parkway, number 350. Duluth, Georgia, 30136. 770-279-4560. Fax, 770-279-4566. Association for Accounting Administration. 136 South Kiowa Street, Dayton, Ohio, 45402. 513-222-0030. Fax, 513-212-5794. Association for Investment Management and Research. 5 Boar's Head, LN. POG 3668. Charlottesville, Virginia, 22903. 804-980-3688. AIMR.com. Association of Government Accountants. 2200 MT Vernon Ave, Alexandria, Virginia, 22301. 703-684-6931. Collection Agency Directory. First Detroit Corp. POG 5025. Warren, 48090. 800-366-5995. 810-573-0045. CPA Journal. New York State Society of CPAs. 600, 3rd Avenue, NYC 10016. 212-661-2020. Forum for International Trade Training. 800-561 FIT. FIT.ca. Information Systems Audit and Control Association. 3701 Algonquin Road. Number 1010. Rolling Meadows, Illinois 60008. 708-253-1545. ISACA.org. Institute of Certified Management Accountants. 10, Paragon Place, Montvale, New Jersey 07645. 800-638-4427. Institute of Internal Auditors. 249, Maitland Avenue, POG 1119. Altamonte Springs, Florida 32701-4201. 407-830-7600. Fax, 407-831-5171. TheIIA.org. Institute of Management Accountants. 10, Paragon Drive, Montvale, New Jersey 07645-1718. 800-638-4427. 201-573-9000. Fax, 201-573-0559. IMA@imana.org. imana.org. Inter-American Accounting Association. 275 Fontainebleau Boulevard, number 245. Miami, Florida 33172. 305-225-1991. Fax, 305-225-2011. International Association of Hospitality Accountants. POG 203,008. Austin, Texas 78720. 512-346-5680. Magazine Bottom Line. International Federation of Accountants. 535 5th Avenue, 26th FL, NYC 10017. 212-286-9344. Fax, 212-286-9570. IFAC.org. Journal of Taxation. Warren Gorham Lamont. 31 St. James Ave, Boston, Massachusetts 02116. 800-950-1216. 617-423-2020. National Association of Accountants. Management Accounting Magazine. POG 433. 10 Paragon Dr. Montvale, New Jersey 07645. 201-573-9000. National Association of Black Accountants. 7249 Hanover Parkway, Greenbelt, Maryland 20770. 301-474 NABA. NABAinc.org. National Association of State Boards of Accountancy. 545 5th Avenue, NYC 10168. 212-490-3868. National Association of Surety Bond Producers. Number 450. 5301 Wisconsin Avenue, NW, Washington, D.C. 20015. 202-686-3700. National Society of Accountants. National Society of Public Accountants. Accreditation Council for Accountancy and Taxation. 1010 North Fairfax Street, Alexandria, Virginia 22314-1574. 703-549-6400. Fax, 703-549-2984. nsacct.org. nspia.org. Chapter 8. An Accounting Software Guide. Accounting software / personal finance software / money management software. The following companies sell personal finance and business software for budget planning, cash flow management, accounting, etc. FindAccountingSoftware.com, 2cows.com, software reviews. Newcash.org, open source accounting software. Mint.com, free budgeting software. FRE inline accounting software.com. Netledger.com, NetLedger. Octopus.com/home.htm, octopus.com. TurboTax.com, Quicken TurboTax. ThinkFree.com, ThinkFreeOffice. 3rdparty.com. AccountingLibrary.com. AccountingLife.com. AccountingSoftware.net. AccountingSoftware411.com.